Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a crucial piece of gear for anyone serious about their audio, the Aimyzii 20ft Premium Balanced Mic Cable. This isn't just any XLR cable. It's designed to deliver top-tier performance and durability, making it a standout choice for musicians, podcasters, and sound engineers alike. Right off the bat, what truly impresses about this cable is its commitment to clear sound transmission. It boasts pure copper conductors, which are essential for lossless signal transfer. This means your audio signals travel from your microphone to your mixer or interface without any degradation, preserving every nuance of your sound. But it doesn't stop there. The cable features double shielding. This is a game changer for sound quality, as it actively works to block out interference signals, effectively eliminating unwanted noise. The result is a high-fidelity sound that's clean, crisp, and professional, ensuring that what you hear is exactly what was intended. When it comes to construction, the Aimyzii cable feels incredibly robust. It's built with high-quality materials, including those pure copper conductors we just talked about, along with copper and foil shielding for maximum protection. The connectors themselves are made from zinc alloy, which is known for its hardness and resistance to wear and tear, significantly increasing the cable's overall durability and reliability. One of the most thoughtful design elements is the high-elastic PVC jacket. Unlike some braided cables that can be a pain to clean, this PVC jacket is soft, flexible, and incredibly durable. Plus, if it gets dirty, a simple wipe with a wet cloth is all it takes to make it look new again. Durability is further enhanced by a clever metal spring design at the end of the cable. This isn't just for show. It's a practical feature that prevents the cable from pulling out or rupturing at the connection point. It adds flexibility and acts as a protective barrier against the stresses of regular bending and movement during use, which is a common cause of cable failure. This thoughtful addition significantly extends the life of the cable, making it a truly trustworthy investment. Compatibility is rarely an issue with this cable, as it's designed to work seamlessly with any equipment featuring 3-pin XLR connectors. Whether you're connecting microphones, stage lighting, mixing boards, power amplifiers, studio harmonizers, speakers, or patch bays, this cable has you covered. Its versatility makes it ideal for a wide range of settings, from professional studios and club stages to KTV setups and home theaters. It's truly a plug-and-play solution that allows users to enjoy high-quality audio anytime, anywhere. Speaking of plug-and-play, the self-locking male-to-female connector design is incredibly user-friendly. It allows for easy insertion and removal, yet once connected, it locks firmly in place. This prevents any unstable connections, looseness, or accidental disconnections, even during active use or movement. The brand emphasizes that each cable undergoes strict factory testing to ensure its quality, providing peace of mind that you're getting a reliable product. If any quality issues arise, their customer service is ready to provide assistance. Overall, the Aimyzii 20ft XLR cable is a premium offering that combines superior sound quality with exceptional durability and thoughtful design, making it an excellent choice for anyone needing a dependable microphone cable.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.